MHC Kenworth, Denver, Colorado. The world's best in new and used trucks. Come and grab a 2018 Peterbilt 579 day cab at MHC Denver. This is a 455 horsepower, 10-speed Ultra non-sleeper. Multiple units are available and frontline ready. They've got 12K fronts, 40K rears with an 11K pusher. You've got a 260-inch wheelbase and a 3.55 rear ratio. This truck sits at 379,000 on the miles with 22.5 low pros and wide base rears with all aluminum wheels. You've got dual 90-gallon fuel tanks on this truck. Under the hood, a PACCAR MX-13 with a fuller 10-speed Ultra transmission. Inside, the interior shines after our detail work. This is a good-looking truck. Come and get it. If you want it, call MHC Denver at 888-592-4070.